Hey everybody, welcome to Lesson 1. It was great to see some of your posts, and I think we've already got some assignments in, so please turn those assignments in by Wednesday. Assignment 1, get that into me. But we're going to start talking about the first lesson here. It's called The Story. What's the story? And before we begin to talk about writing a news story, it's important to know what the story actually is and why you're writing about it. Now, there's a lot of debate about what is newsworthy and what's worth talking about. Certainly, there are obvious things, dangerous weather or mudslides, fire. These things might pose an imminent danger to people. That might be the same with crime, events that are happening in your community or a certain community that you should be worried about or concerned about. Government is also extremely important. Your tax dollars go to pay for government, and what are those people doing with that money? Also, what laws might be passed that might affect your life. There's also education, finance, local sports teams, and of course, other things that are going on in your community. These are all great reasons that might make a story newsworthy. So where's the debate? There's limited time in a newscast, so you have to make the most take the most important stories, and often there's not enough people to do all the stories that you might like, so we have to rank them in order of importance, or at least take the most interesting ones, and you see which stories actually make it to the newscast. Even when I asked you guys what you thought was the most important story of the year, there were a lot of different opinions, and that's no different from any newsroom that you might work in the future. So maybe there's something in the community that you feel is kind of important. It's happened to me before. I pitched a story that I thought people should know about, but that might lose out in a newscast to the funny panda video or the funny dog video on YouTube or Kim Kardashian breaking the internet. Either way, in order to write the story, it's important to know what the story is and why you're writing it. It may be a natural disaster like an earthquake, which is very obvious, or Kim Kardashian. It may be as simple as everybody is talking about it. And you, as a writer, should write accordingly. So I've included some web articles in this lesson and an excerpt from a book that I'd like you to read. It's a required reading. This will give us an idea about how we're going to structure our story and what elements we need to have in them, and some of the rules about journalism and in writing. We'll also learn about the importance of a lead sentence in the story and some different styles of lead sentences that newscasters and writers tend to use. So, hope you enjoy the lesson.